Today I'm giving a product review on the Husqvarna 150 BT blower. I've had my unit now for about 6 years, so after spending a lot of time with it, all 4 seasons of the year, I thought I would give my feedback to everybody. So the first thing I'll tell you is that if my blower were to crap out today, I would immediately go out and buy another one. I got mine in the winter of 2018. It was on my birthday. My wife got it for me. It was actually recommended to her from my neighbor who also has one. It's pretty rugged. It's got a backpack and a strap that goes around your waist. It's about 22 pounds and it can blow about, I think, 765 cubic feet per minute if I read properly. The unit takes 50 to 1 fuel oil. It's a 2-cycle. And again, it's super powerful. I use it every week to not only blow off the driveway and the deck of grass and pine needles, but I'll actually use it to clean the mower itself. And the amount of time it took me to brush all the grass off and clean off the deck and around the engine compartment, you can do it in about 60 seconds or less with the blower. So it's just saving me a ton of time. In the fall, I can use it to blow leaves across the yard, off the driveway, wet or dry. It's super powerful. I'll use it to clean the pine needles out of the groove along the deck in the house. And I've got an older deck, and if I really aim it hard, on the deck itself, it'll actually blow off flakes of old paint. So it's super powerful. Now, I also use mine in the winter time. So when it comes to a cold start, and I know a lot of small engines, it's a little tricky to get them going in the winter time. Not this one. It's super easy. So, I'll give you a quick demonstration of how it's super easy to run. It's been starting up great for me for years. You're going to give it about 5 to 10 primes on the bulb. Close the choke if you need to. Mine runs so smooth I really don't need to. And I like to put the throttle on about 1/3 to get it going. It's great. Actually, in the summertime, it'll probably start on the first pull. But again, in the wintertime, no problem getting it started. It looks like they're going now for about $300, and I think they were $350. So. Again, it is expensive, but the Husqvarna is a great product. This thing I don't know if it's technically, you'd consider it commercial grade, but man, it works awesome. In 6 years, I haven't changed a spark plug. I haven't had to rebuild a carb. No parts on it have broken, and I'm using this thing all year round. So unlike a lot of my other equipment, the lawnmowers, the weed whackers, the hedge trimmers, I've had to rebuild those, clean out carb, but I haven't had to do anything on this thing. So 6 years without any sort of service or parts is pretty amazing in my opinion. So if you're thinking about getting a blower, or if you've got a big driveway and yard and you're sweeping right now, trust me, get a blower. You're gonna turn your cleanup time from 1 to 2 hours down to about 10 to 15 if you're going all the way around the house and cleaning off a large driveway and things like that. It's so worth it, the time savings that you get, and it does a fantastic job. So hope this is helpful if you guys are looking at getting a blower. Again, I've got the Husqvarna 150 BT blower, and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.